Hello future doctors, how are you to all? In this video we are going to solve problem based on errors. So how we can find? You can see first question on the screen. A physical parameter small a can be determined by measuring the parameters b, c, d and e. Using the relation a is equal to b power alpha c power beta divided by d power gamma e power delta. Full stop. If the maximum errors in the measurement of b, c, d and e are b1%, c1%, d1% and e1%, then the maximum error in the value of a determined by the experiment is option A b1 plus c1 plus d1 plus e1%, option B b1 plus c1 minus d1 minus e1%, option C alpha b1 plus beta c1 minus gamma d1 minus delta e1%, option D alpha b1 plus beta c1 plus gamma d1 plus delta e1%. See, first things, what is given? Given that one relation is given a is equal to b power alpha, c power beta, d power gamma and e power delta. This relation given. After given this relation, next thing is given percentage error given, just measuring b. So what is given here? Del b over b multiply 100. This is the maximum percentage error, so I'm writing like this. But given b1%. Similarly, del c over c multiply 100, you can write maximum. So here also given what given c1%. After this, just measuring d also, del d over d maximum also given d1%, and after this e, del e over e maximum, how much given? e1%. Is it okay? These things are given. After this, we are going to just measure the percentage error, maximum percentage error in A. So first we need to arrange this relation. So how we can arrange? Therefore we can write here, either we can solve like this. Therefore we can write here percentage error in A. So del A over A maximum percentage error, like this. So just we can write down this all things. So like this we can write first b having, so b power alpha having, so alpha will come first, so we can write here del b over b, this one, plus 4c beta del c over c, like this we can write. Okay, and after this d, so plus gamma del d over d. Is it okay? Very good. And for the e also, del e over e. Is it okay or not? So after this value already given, b1, c1, d1, e1. So you can place. So alpha b1 plus beta c1 plus gamma d1 plus delta e1 percentage. So finally, what answer you can write here? You can write here del a over a maximum percentage error. Okay, how much? This one. So finally you can write here. Okay, what you can, here I am writing alpha b1 plus beta c1 plus gamma d1 plus delta e1. This is the final answer of this given problems. Here is space not having, so I wrote here, no issues. Okay, so this is the right answer of this given problem. Which option is correct? Option D. You can see option D is the right answer of this question. Okay, so now you can try and you can search like this question and you can try to solve. If you have any problem, any query, so you can just give the comments also. Please make note down. After this we are going to solve next problem. Next question you can see on the screen. The pressure on a square plate is measured by the measuring the force on the plate, and the length of the sides of the plate if the maximum error in the measurement of force and length are respectively 4% and 2%. The maximum error in the measurement of pressure is option A 1%, option B 2%, option C 6%, option D 8%. Very good question having. So here what is given that? Given that percentage error given in force. How much? Del F over F multiply 100. This is given how much? 4%. And next given percentage error just measuring the length. How much given? Can you tell me? 2%. You can see on the screen that question already there. So this condition given. After they are asking what is the percentage error just measuring the pressure. So they are asking measuring the pressure, del P over P, these things asking. Okay. So you know one thing that we know pressure is equal to force upon area. Force upon area. So we can also write P is equal to force upon area. This relation we can write. Here is the area, this is the force. But here area is not given. Here is in the form of length given. If in the form of length given means what we can do? So we need to change this area into that length form. So we can write here P is equal to F over L square. These things you can write. After that you can write in the form of percentage error. So you can write here del P over P maximum. Okay, you are finding maximum percentage error. Okay, so now you can write del F over F, very good, plus 2 del L over L. Is it okay? So now you can substitute the value, no problem. You can place the value del P over P maximum percentage error is equal to del F over F, this thing is given 4%. So you can write here 4%, very good, plus 2 into del L over L. Here del L over L, 2%. So now 2%. So 4% plus 2 to the 4%. So finally you will get 8%. So which option is correct? You can see there option D is the right answer of this given problem. Very simple condition having. If formula is given, you need to write that formula in the form of percentage error. After that you can place the value, then you will get the answer. Now please make note down. If you have any query, any problem, you please just try to make the comment also, give the comments also. And after completing the 2-3 questions, how many questions I am solving? Okay, so whatever you want to do means you please try to solve that upcoming question also. In the last end of this video I will give some question. You please try to solve that questions, and after that you just ask to me. I also provided there that my WhatsApp number, you can just send the hi also, and you can just ask your doubt. You do your best. Okay, so now we are going to solve next question. Next question you can see on the screen. The resistance R is equal to V over I, where V is equal to 100 plus minus 5 volts and I is equal to 10 plus minus 0.2 amperes. What is the total error in R? Option A 5%, option B 7%, option C 5.2%, and option D 5.2%. So first things, how you will solve? First you will write given that. It means what is given. So one formula given, R is equal to V over I. R is the resistance, V is the voltage, I is the current. So unit of R, ohm, unit of V, volts, unit of current, ampere. So next point, either next things what given, you can just see V is equal to given 100 plus minus 100 plus minus 5 volt, this is given. And I, current, also given. 10 plus minus 0.2 amperes. These two things is given. We need to find that error just measuring R. So how we can find? You know the relation very well. If suppose that you know the relation very well means, so we can write here also error in R. Either percentage error also you can write, maximum percentage error. Don't worry, okay? So now you can write del R over R. We're going to find this one. So now here voltage having, so we can write del V over V. Okay, and plus current del I over I. Like this we can write, just finding the answer. But these things we did already. Here there is a given plus minus 5. Here given plus minus 0.2. Here 100 given. Here 10 given. Whenever you will face like this problem, so what is the method? Just writing like this condition. So you just see here, okay? You can see. So here is a 100 given, here is a 10 given. So you need to write in the form of this. So you know very well. What do you know? Here having two types of measurement. First, they are having a del. Del means that is small values, and V means complete value. So complete you know very well, here 100 having and small value having 5. So we can write here 5 upon 100, just multiply 100, very good, plus. Here del I means small value, 0.2, 10 multiply 100. Is it okay? Till here any doubt? Till here doubt? No doubt? Pakka? So when you have no doubt, so what we can do here, we can just resolve this condition. So how we can resolve this condition? If suppose we are going to write this one 5 on 100 having multiply 100 here 0.2. If you remove this one 100 also going to come here. So this 100 here also will cancel. So we can write here 5 plus 2%. So finally we can write here del R over R multiply just 100, just maximum percentage error. So it will be 5 plus 2, it means 7%. So 7% you are going to measure the error in that R. So which option is correct? You can see option B is the right answer of this question. In exam what they will do, they will make some small change and they want to check your IQ level. Okay, so because of that only they will create like that question. So please try to solve more questions. Some question you will get like this calculative question. Some question basically you will get that theoretical based question. So please do your best. If you have any query, any problem, you can give the comments. You can ask your doubt. You are free. Okay. So after this, I will provide some question. You please try to solve that question also. And you are facing any doubt, so you please just ask. Thank you so much. We will see you in next video.